If you're looking for a running board that will hold up to more than just getting in and out of your 2005 or newer double cab Toyota Tacoma, these RB20 running boards in texture black will be a great addition to your build. Now these running boards will be a great option for the Tacoma owner who needs easier access to their truck for themselves as well as their passengers, especially if you have kids on board, and even more so if you have a lift or a leveling kit installed. The durable and high clearance construction, it will be great if you're taking your Tacoma off-road and you want to prevent any kick-up or any obstacles from getting to your rocker area, or you simply just want to protect your paint from any door dings in the parking lot. These will offer wheel-to-wheel coverage with a roughly 7-inch stepping surface at the front, and it's going to taper down to about 6 inches at the back. But that's going to provide you a lot of space underneath your foot to easily get in and out of your truck. Now, the top of the running board will also have a punched hole design, which in my opinion adds a lot of styling to this step, but these will prevent any puddling on the stepping surface and offer some extra traction for those wetter days. These will also tuck very high and tight to that rocker panel, again, and taper off down at the bottom with a boxier but very sleek appearance, which in my opinion elevates the look of the step. Now you'll also get this little welded on ridge at the back that is going to add to that clean appearance and provide a little bit of a stopping point for when your foot hits the step to make sure that it's not going into your rocker. Now getting into the build, these are going to be made of 16-gauge zinc-coated steel as far as the construction is concerned for optimal durability compared to lighter-duty options. This will also have a black powder coat finish on top that's going to do a fantastic job of resisting any rust over years, keeping them looking brand new for those years to come. These will also have a direct bolt-on install and come with absolutely everything that you need out of the box in order to get these installed, making it completely hassle-free. As far as price is concerned, these will come in at roughly $600. Now I think with the quality that you're getting as well as the good balance between accessibility and protection, that these are going to be very well worth that price point. Now comparing these to other choices, these will be very wide for a step. These are going to tuck high up to that rocker for additional clearance and will be super durable compared to other steps that might be mainly focused on that accessibility aspect of the step rather than both protection and accessibility. This set will provide a great balance between the two and bring a premium vibe to the table that's proven in the reliability as well as this well-built construction. Install will be a pretty easy one down to 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 2 hours to get the job done with some pretty basic hand tools. Now one of our customers has actually installed these on their Tacoma and used a 13mm socket, a small extension, and a ratchet, as well as a flathead screwdriver. Now they are going to walk you through the install step by step and show you how to get these onto your Tacoma at home. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
So the first thing you have to do, you have to get under the truck and you take out 3 plastic screws. They look like this, and they're just covering the holes that you're gonna put the sideboard rails into, or the sideboard brackets into. So there's 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the end by the tire, the back tire. Okay, once those are out, you can go ahead and install the brackets. You need a 13mm socket with an extension. You want to put these on loose to begin with, so you can just actually probably hand tighten them. The middle and rear brackets are the same. The front bracket is a little bit different. So we'll put the brackets on, just hand tight. hand tight. I'm gonna push them back as far as they'll go because I want the running boards to be close to the truck. Okay, hand tight. And the easiest way to do this, pick up the rail and you just lay it on the mounting brackets, pretty much where you want it. And you can adjust this again because we're just gonna go hand tight. This is where you install the U brackets. And these, you put them in so that the flat side is facing down. You put them in the rail like this, you twist them, and you line them up with the holes and put the bolts in. Just put them in hand tight. And this one doesn't want to go. I'm gonna have to get the ratchet. All right, so just go ahead and pull them from above. That's fine. Okay. Okay, they're all hand tight. Now what I want to do is just make sure it's as tight as it can be, because this is just the way I want it. Close, and I want to have back end right at the end of my wheel well. Let's see. Okay, and then we tighten them up. And that's it.
That's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of these RB20 running boards in texture black, fitting all 2005 and newer double cab Toyota Tacomas. And remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.